Ishino. Ishino is the star of the anatak system. It is a blue supergiant and is in the middle of its life. It is 10 times hotter than the Sun and the surface temperature is around 50,000 and its core is 30 million. Eston. Eston is 3 times bigger than Earth. It supports 30 billion sapient beings and 10 quintillion living beings, mostly because of insects like ants and stuff. It has 2 moons. The smallest one orbits it, while the bigger one orbits it and a quiet place, like binary. Aquino. Aquino has no moons. It is closer to the star, so it's hot. It has a twin planet named Onocra. It orbits Onocra and its star at the same time. It is not habitable. Onocra. Onocra is the twin planet of Aquino and orbits Aquino and its star at the same time. It is habitable and can support 3 billion sapient beings, but they choose not to because Aquino's gravity makes giant waves, like tsunamis. Think of it like the moon being swapped by Venus. Mark Reno. It is the Mercury of the anatak system. It is 592 degrees hot and is not habitable, obviously. It is the smallest planet. It has no moons because Ishino would take them away. Agrolno is the Saturn of the anatak system. It has 3 rings and no moons, likely because it destroyed and turned the moons into rings. It is a gas giant and is 10 times bigger than Jupiter. It is the 3rd biggest object in the anatak system. It can be seen by Eston as a small dot, but from Civo you can see the rings. It has a storm the size of Jupiter on it. Civo. Civo is the Earth of the anatak system and has 2 moons. The first one is the biggest, probably because of if debris flew off into space, immediate gravity would eat it up, while the second one is smaller because the first was hogging all the debris. It is habitable and supports 12 billion sapient beings. A quiet place. Now this one is the most terrifying. It is 12 times bigger than Agrolno. It is the furthest from Ishino. But because of its massive size, it can clearly be seen from Eston, and it can be almost the size of the second moon of Civo from Civo in the sky. It's a gas giant. And it is so dense that you can walk on it more stabler than solid ground, and since it's so dense it has the gravity of the Sun and it spins so fast it's like a magnetar and can collapse into a black hole at any given moment. It has around 5 to 8 moons and its biggest one is the size of 2 Agrolnos, and it shares a moon with Eston. The anatak system.
So guys, I'm thinking of making a video of how long you would survive on every anatak planet and star. So tell me if you want to see that.